Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This problem, I think, was sent by a student, and I think she solved the first two things, to TCA and TCB, and she messed up in the second one, the maximum mass that the system can support, so that no single cable develops a tension exceeding 600 Newton. Okay, so let's look at this, and let's put the equation that is related to this example. We have, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the free body diagram I'm drawing right now. So we have cable CB, the angle is 20 degrees with the x-axis, of course this is x and this is y, and there's a cable CA, they're all tension. I'm going to make them all tension. And alpha is given 46. So 46 with the x-axis. And there is a mass down. What's the mass? The mass is 38. So 38 times 9.81 Newton. Now, the problem stated that determine the maximum mass that the system can support, so no single cable develops a tension exceeding 600 Newton. So the maximum force inside the cable is 600 Newton. What is the mass? So, which means that, okay, I'm going to change my mind. This is a mass now. You want to know the maximum mass that this could sustain, that the cable tension is 600 Newton. Let's look at this problem and let's find out the same equation, but as a function of mass now. We're going to find out everything as a function of mass. Let's look at summation of forces at x equal to 0. CB cosine 20 minus CA cosine 46 equal to 0. That's the first equation. Summation of forces at y, CB sine 20 plus CA sine 46, now equal to mass times 9.81. Okay, so let's look at the cosine and the sine. Let's look at the first one, first equation, equation number 1. Here. Let's see which one is this, the largest. Okay, so what is cosine 20? 0.94. So this could be, what am I going to write it? Write it here. 0.94 CB, 0.94 CB minus 46 cosine 0.69 CA equal to 0. So CB 0.94 CB equal 0.69 CA. So when you divide 0.94, 0.69, let's just take this one on the other side, 0.69 times 0.94, and that's going to make it 1.3. Well, let's make it the other side. CB is equal 0.739 CA. Which means that which one of these cables is the largest? I could see that CA is the largest because if you assume CA is 100 Newton, so CB will be 73.9, which means that CA is large. Okay, so I'm going to assume that the largest cable will have 600 Newton, which is like CA. So I'm going to assume CA is 600 Newton, 600 Newton. So what will be CB? 600 times 0.739 times, and that would give you 443 Newton. So now you go to this equation 2, and that will be CB is 443 sine 20. Okay. Plus CA 600 sine 46 equal mass times 9.81. Okay, 443 times sine 20. 152 46 sine times 600, and that is plus 432 is equal mass times 9.81. 432 plus 152 divided by 9.81, that will give you a mass of 59.5, and that is, of course, put kilogram. And I think that's the answer that the student missed, 59.5. Okay, you can see it here. The answer that was put is wrong, and the answer is 59.5, 0.46, 0.5, all the same thing in kilogram. Thank you.